Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Chevrolet Trax. The Trax is tiny on the outside, but remarkably spacious within. It comes with clean and modern interiors. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, front wheel independent suspension, rear window wiper, rear window defroster, security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.